So, hello my friends, Devaun Lennox here, PhotographyPX. In today's video, we'll cover the best cheap cameras for YouTube. Do know you can find timestamps and links in the description down below, as well as the pinned comment. And also know this is not a sponsored video. Let's get started. Creating videos online was once the preserve for professionals, and most creators often gave up before starting a channel, thinking they lacked the budget necessary. But thanks to advancements in technology over the years, online content creation has changed. Now anyone, even a beginner, can pick up a camera, start filming, and upload enticing professional content. And considering YouTube accounts for as much as a third of all videos watched, it could be an excellent way for you to start a new career, build your audience, and set yourself apart. But to do so, you will need a good camera. And despite all of the differences between channels, all undeniably have this one aspect in common: the right camera. Thankfully, getting the right camera doesn't require splurging on the latest flagship model anymore. No, these days you can still create excellent content despite a limited budget, and even entry-level models are apt to deliver professional-looking videos that outpace even the latest smartphones. But when it comes to cameras for YouTube, the list is vast, and there's a host of cameras all equally capable of creating a successful YouTube channel. Even so, most cameras help in certain aspects of content creation, but not others. With that, in today's video, we've compiled a detailed guide outlining some of the considerations to keep an eye on, which you can find down below in the pinned comment, and we'll also cover the best cheap cameras for YouTube on the present market. Coming at number 5, DJI's Osmo Pocket 2. DJI's Osmo Pocket 2 boasts a larger sensor, better lens, microphone, and now slow motion video. It features a 64 megapixel 1/1.7 inch sensor with a 20mm lens mounted to a 3-axis gimbal. And this configuration produces 4K 60 FPS and 1080p 240 FPS video. Other bonuses include HDR, a log profile, panorama, time-lapse, 8x digital zoom, and the ultra-high pixel option. Pocket 2 obtains DJI's high-end Active Track 3 from their drone lineup, and this technology relentlessly tracks moving subjects regardless of seeing their faces. So much so, it transforms complicated subject tracking to merely tapping on the screen. DJI has also refined the touchscreen with this update, and it now shows a live preview and helpful shooting information, but it also boasts swipe gestures to quickly track a subject, control the gimbal, or focus the camera. Overall, DJI's Osmo Pocket 2 is quite a versatile package for creators, and it fixes all of the shortcomings of the original model while setting a new benchmark for the class. And it's an excellent option for creators looking for utmost portability without compromising on stability. Coming at number 4, Panasonic's G7. Panasonic's G7 is the backbone of the G series. It features a 16 megapixel micro four thirds size sensor, 4K 30 FPS, and 1080p 60 FPS video. It also has a 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen, time-lapse, a microphone input, and wireless connectivity. The G7 uses a 49-point autofocusing system with face detection, but Panasonic has equipped this camera with extensive customization over the footage, and you can customize the camera's HSL, gamma curve, dynamic range, and much more. As such, you can tailor the in-camera rendering to your specific style, reducing the need for post-processing altogether. The bundled imaging app also offers full remote control when recording video too, and it's among the most versatile remote shooting apps in this regard. Overall, Panasonic's G7 remains budget-friendly, and it's a powerful alternative to the higher-end GH4. It offers many of the same features and performance, but given its price, it's a better option for budget-conscious creators. Coming in at number 3, Logitech's C922X Pro. Logitech's C922 Pro is the ideal option for content creators looking to also stream to YouTube. This webcam uses a 1080p sensor with a 78-degree field of view that streams at 1080p 30 FPS or 720p at 60 FPS. The C922 houses dual omnidirectional microphones too, which capture clear, natural, and realistic sounding audio. And it also includes Logitech's Capture app, so you can customize your streams with overlays, transitions, and adjust the camera's settings. Plus, it also features auto light correction with HD autofocus, which optimizes the camera's configuration across various lighting conditions and always ensures your videos are razor sharp. Overall, Logitech's C922X Pro offers the latest improvements that make it an excellent option for content creators looking to stream, and despite its power, it remains within reach of beginners. Coming at number 2, Canon's G7X II. Canon's G7X Mark II ups the technical performance in the line. It features a 1-inch 20.1 megapixel sensor and 1080p 60 FPS video. It also has a 3-inch tilting touchscreen, a built-in ND filter, stabilization, a 2x teleconverter, HDR, wireless connectivity, and a 24 to 100 millimeter equivalent lens. The G7X II uses a 31-point autofocusing system with face detection, but Canon's refined the design and upped the grip with this model. They've also added a smooth toggle switch to the front control ring, which provides quick and tactile feedback to control the camera's aperture. This camera also offers a 4.2 times optical zoom, which is longer than average for this particular class, and it's effortless to use, given its excellent touch interface that's ideal for beginners, but not so lacking that it misses core functionality and control for enthusiasts. Overall, Canon's G7X II offers plenty of performance for the price, and it's an excellent option for traveling creators looking for an on-the-go companion. Coming at number 1, GoPro's Hero 8 Black. GoPro's Hero 8 brings a new design and more flexibility to the line. This camera captures 12 megapixel still photos and stabilized 4K 60 FPS or 1080p 240 FPS video. It also has wireless connectivity, live streaming support, live burst, time-lapse, HDR, and time warp 2.0. With this model, GoPro's streamlined the design to make it more pocketable, flexible, and durable than before, and it now debuts hot swappable batteries and built-in mounting fingers for hassle-free mounting. Additionally, this model brings expandable mods, letting creators enhance its functionality, so now you can add microphones, displays, or even lights, yet the device still remains waterproof down to 10 meters. Overall, GoPro's Hero 8 is extraordinarily capable and ups the line's versatility, and given its feature set and stabilization, it's quite the bargain for aspiring content creators looking for a hassle-free starting point. So there you have it, my friends. There's our list of the best cheap cameras for YouTube. For more information on this list or to read the detailed guide, look at the pinned comment in the description down below, and I'll take you right to the full post. I've been your host, Devaun Lennox. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found the contents of today's video insightful and it added value to you. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Also, leave us a like and a comment in the description down below. Let us know if we overlooked something or we missed something that we covered in today's video. I've been your host, Devaun Lennox, Photography.